Senator Mian Atik, I hope I pronounced your name right. And
Yeah, please.
Rabia Nasir Mahmood,
Yeah.
I am, may I share my screen so that people...
Please, you can. Yes, it is.
Already, you can see?
Yeah, perfectly.
Just a little video of myself. Let me just play that. What if today I can share with you how you can create your own universe?
Cora Cristobal is a 3-time best-selling author and 2-time award-winning author, international speaker, real estate investor, realtor, and founder of the Toronto Women's Club. A certified public accountant, Cora was a successful accounting professional, then embarked on a highly rewarding real estate career, where she has grown into coaching and mentoring.
With my 35 years of experience, I would like to share how you can create wealth from real estate.
She has shared stages with Jack Canfield, Brian Tracy, Robert Allen, and Kevin Harrington, speaking on personal growth, transformation, success, and how to acquire wealth through real estate. Speaking to you today, please welcome to the stage, Cora Cristobal.
Good one. Very good. Now you are going to, Cora, you are going to help us how we can buy something which is very good one in Toronto or wherever you say.
I'm going to stop that and stop sharing already.
Yes,
Thank
it
you.
is.
So now I'm going to share another screen, which is this. I know I have only 15 minutes, so I better watch out
No
my
problem.
time. So you just, do you see that?
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you very much. So my name is Cora Cristobal. You can see just a little bit of introduction about who I am. I'm originally from the Philippines, but I have immigrated to Canada. So I represent the all states of Ohio according to Rabia, because another lady from Canada came by yesterday, right? So I am now Canadian. I have been here for 20 years. And you may be interested to know how I got to be here, like how I got to be Cora Cristobal, founder of Toronto Women's Club, an international speaker, best-selling author, award-winning author, a coach and a mentor, and a real estate investor, and a licensed real estate agent. So you can see I have lots of credentials, right? So you can see that if we talk about power, women empowerment, and the title that was given to me is Tap into Your Women Power. And everybody, I want to tell you that everybody has power, whether you are a man or a woman, and especially women, because I think by tradition and by history, women thinks that they don't have enough power as much as men do have, right? And I want to tell you, I want to assure you that all of us do have power. So where did I come from? So this is my family from the Philippines. We are a family of 8. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the 6th in the family. So you can see that, right? And these are my children. I have 4 children. And I want to tell you a little bit of my story. When I immigrated in Canada 20 years ago, they were still small, around 9 years old, up to 15 years old. And I started having challenges with my second daughter. If you heard about growing up pains, growing up pains among teenagers, so I had that issue. And she gave me all kinds of problems that led to my husband giving up, and he left us. He went back to our original country. So can you imagine the situation I was in? I am a woman, a mother of 4, a new immigrant in a new country, adjusting to weather, adjusting to culture, and everything. And suddenly I became a single mother. So I heard somebody said that we need support of men in order to have the power, right? Yes, that is true, and that has been the tradition. We need our father, we need our husband, we need our brothers. But what happens if you lose them? Are you going to lose your power when you lose this man in your life? And I thought I was in that same belief. I was in that kind of belief when I became a single mother. What if you were in my position? What are you going to do? Are you going to jump into the lake and end your life? And that I thought about it, right? That suddenly my husband of 23 years is gone. I was left with 4 children in a new country. But that was the time when I discovered that I don't really have to rely on anyone. Some of you may believe, some of you may not believe, but it is in these challenges when you discover that yourself is more than enough to become happy and successful, that you are more than enough yourself. Of course, I'm not saying you don't need any man in your life, but what I have proven, and you can see, you have seen the video that I presented, that I was able to survive and thrive on my own. Mind you, I have a mentor who is a man, and this is one of the secrets to my success. I hired a mentor who is a man, but that mentor is not going to do the push-ups for me. I did everything on my own.
Yeah.
So in 2017, I founded Toronto Women's Club, and you can see the logo, Toronto Women's Club, and the tagline is empowering women to success. Because of my own story, because of what I have done, because of the discovery that I did, that I can do it on my own, I was inspired to put up a women's club that is going to provide inspiration, to educate and to train women to be the person they want to be. So how do I empower women? First of all, I need to empower myself. I need to grow myself. So I invested heavily on myself. I learned, I studied, I read books, I went to events, I hired a mentor, and in a few years, I transformed into a new Cora Cristobal. So when I was empowered already, then I was able to empower other people. And so I hold 4 quarterly events. Whole day event, I will book a hotel room, and I'm going to market my event, and I invite women. And later on, even men were coming to my event. And Toronto Women's Club is by membership. You can come for free. I will invite people for free. And if they choose to, they can become members of Toronto Women's Club, so they can continue their growth, and they can continue their transformation, and they can continue working with the club in order to be happy and successful. After all, what is the purpose of life? The purpose of life is to be happy. If you agree with me, for me, the definition of success is to become happy. Happiness is not only about material things, although we need material things in order to grow. We need money in order to grow, but the end result of why we are working so hard, of why we are empowering ourselves, and why are we empowering other people, is to be happy, ourselves to be happy, and to make also other people to become happy. And that is what I stand for at the Toronto Women's Club. So you can see also, I have written in my journey of empowering women as well as men, I have written actually 7 published books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is an ebook. And the ebook that I wrote during the pandemic, during the lockdown last year, how to rebuild yourself, rebuilding your finances, because I know that probably the number one problem during the pandemic is money, is economic, right? So I wrote that, and also the science of getting rich, this one, which became